students, this is your 10th class biology and today we will going to discuss about the male reproductive organ. As we all know that human beings are unisexual organism. Unisexual means one body contain one type of sex organ. तो ये यूनिसेक्सुअल होते हैं एंड मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन की आज हम बात करेंगे. मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन कंसिस्ट ऑफ टेस्टिस, स्क्रोटम, एपिडाइडमस, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland and penis. These are the 7 structures that are found in the male reproductive organ. One by one we discuss about the characters and the function of the male reproductive organ. First, testes. In human beings, one pair of testes are present. One pair of testes is present. And what is the function of testes? Testes have dual function. Number 1, produce sex hormones. And also it produce sperms. Testes has dual function. Number 1 to produce sex hormone and number 2 to produce sperm. Sex hormone, if we talk about the sex hormone, mainly testosterone is the sex hormone. Testosterone is the sex hormone which is produced by the testes in males. Now scrotum sex. Testes are oval shaped structure which are present. Testes, अगर हम testes की बात करें, oval structure है, oval structure होते हैं and they are present outside the body of abdominal cavity. And outside the abdominal cavity कहाँ पर ये present होते हैं? They are present in a sac-like structure and this sac-like structure is known as the scrotum. This sac-like structure is known as the scrotum. If we talk about the scrotum, अगर हम scrotum की बात करें, scrotum is the sac in which testes are present. Testes are present. जो testes होते हैं वो present होते हैं scrotum sac में. Why testes are present in scrotum sac? Because for the formation of sperm, 2 to 3 degree lower temperature from inside the body. जो टेस्टिस है उनमें स्पर्म के फॉर्मेशन के लिए 2 से 3 डिग्री हमें लोअर टेम्परेचर चाहिए इनर बॉडी सरफेस से. इसीलिए जो टेस्टिस है ये एब्डोमिनल कैविटी से बाहर स्क्रोटम सैक में शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं. द सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज द स्क्रोटम. व्हाई टेस्टिस आर प्रेजेंट इन द स्क्रोटम? बिकॉज स्पर्म requires low temperature, 2 to 3 degree lower temperature from our inner body. So that is about the scrotum. Epididymis is coiled structure present on the upper side of the testes. So this is coiled structure. Epididymis coiled structure होती है and the function to store sperms. जो sperms है they are stored in this coiled like structure. This is known as the epididymis. इसको हम epididymis कहते हैं. We all know it about the epididymis. What is the function of epididymis? It stores sperm. Now next is vas deferens. Vas deferens is a tube-like structure which originate from the testes and take sperm. This is the vas deferens and it take sperm. Tube-like structure है and it carry sperm. It carries sperm from epididymis or the testes to the urinogenital tract. तो ये जो वास डिफरेंस है ये ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है एंड कैरी करते हैं स्पर्म को. कहाँ से कैरी करती है? जो स्पर्म्स है दे आर फॉर्म्ड इन टेस्टिस एंड टेस्टिस से कहाँ जाते हैं? एपिडाइडिमस से, और एपिडाइडिमस से टेस्टिस से एपिडाइडिमस, और एपिडाइडिमस से स्पर्म्स निकलकर आ जाते हैं यूरिनोजेनिटल ट्रैक्ट तक। अब हम बात करते हैं सेमाइनल वेसिकल एंड प्रोस्टेट। दीज आर द ग्लैंड्स, ये दोनों ग्लैंड्स होते हैं विच secrete some type of secretion. So the liquid sperm with liquid, the liquid is secreted by seminal vesicle and the prostate gland. The sperm, when it mix with liquid, it form the semen. क्या बनाते हैं ये? सीमेन बनाते हैं. सीमेन इज द वर्ड, और सीमेन जो है दिस इज द लिक्विड. ये जो सीमेन है लिक्विड है, ये क्या करता है? ये स्पर्म को लिक्विडिटी देता है, साथ ही साथ नरिशमेंट देता है. तो लिक्विड क्या दे रहा है इसको? नरिशमेंट. It provide nourishment to the sperm and provide liquidity so that transfer of sperm from male to female become easy. So this is about the glands, seminal vesicle and the prostate gland. These glands secrete liquid, and the liquid with the sperm form the semen. This semen is transferred from the male body to the female body. Now we talk about the penis. This is the last structure for the male reproductive system. It is external genitalia. It helps in the transfer of sperms from male to female. What is the function of penis? It is external genitalia and help the transfer of sperm from the male body to the female body. This is about the male reproductive organ.